second to my channel. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I took this long to make another video. I've just been so busy with work and just life came in the way, and I don't ever want to be away from making videos for that long ever. I promise this December, this holiday season, I'm going to be bringing back all the tutorials that you guys need. I'm gonna start vlogging, I'm gonna start doing mukbangs and all that stuff that I promised you guys originally. So I do apologize for the delay to my videos, but I really hope that you guys enjoy just this simple, calm going out look that I'm preparing for you guys. I just said, hey, why not record a video? You know, I'm getting ready, I have time. So yeah, thank you guys and stay tuned. So for starters, I'm gonna start with this matte blur primer from ColourPop called All Star. And guys, a lot of the products I'm using today are from ColourPop, and it's a new first time for me. So let's see how this All Star Matte primer works. So first I'm just gonna apply it onto my face, but as you can see, it's not coming out. I have to shake it because it's like very liquidy. So shake the primer, and then I'm just gonna apply it all around my face. Make sure you get all up in the pores, and then after that I'm gonna go on to my eyebrows. But this time I'm just using a regular pencil from the beauty supply store, being that I forgot to buy a new one, but it applies just the same. Actually, I'm a big fan of pencils versus the dip brows. Like, I'm very old school when it comes down to my brows. So yeah, what I first do is I just outline the shape of my eyebrow, and then I just go in with the fill-in, and then I just blend out the front. It's really that simple. See, outlining the outside, then I'm going to go in and fill it in, and then I'm gonna shade it with the whatever the thing is called, the tool that blends the front like that. Yep, see, there you go. And then I'm just gonna go in with the concealer from ColourPop. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this concealer. It is totally flash approved. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's just perfect. It goes on smooth. I think I found my new favorite concealer. Very thin at first. I start off thin, then I'm going to just pull out the line. So you pull out the line, and what you can do is start from the tip, the top of the tip, and pull it back down. I didn't do it this time, but I'm gonna have a more in-depth video on how I do my cat eyeliner. Don't mind me, I was singing here. But yes, you see the other eye, I start off very thin, then I pull foundation will not go on the same if you do not wet your beauty blender first. And I always try to make sure that I'm getting below my chin and my neck area for when I am wearing outfits that do expose my shoulder to neck part, neck to shoulder part, because I don't want my face to be a different color than the rest of my body. You never want that.
that I see in my dreams. Thinking of life where I had you as my queen. You got me feeling I could do anything, like I really went from prince to a king. show me a blessing, I put you in a ring. Give you diamonds and bling, trying to give you the world. Anything from my...
Thank you all for tuning in. Bye-bye.